Manufactured from recycled plastic, ACO HexDrain is perfect for domestic applications. These high-quality channels simply clip together, allowing for quick and easy installation. Let's learn a little more from Katie in the ACO Academy.
Hi! The features and benefits of HexDrain include
CE marked and fully certified to load class A15. Choice of 8 complete the look gratings, suitable for patio and driveway applications. Anti-splay and anti-shunt features for improved performance under trafficked conditions. Channels clip together for easy and quick on-site fabrication. Choice of 8 vertical outlet positions on every channel. Cutting guide to create half-metre channels. Installation guide clearly marked on the underside of the channel. Micro grip grating surface finish provides increased grip for pedestrians.
applications include
Garage thresholds, patios and paths.
And being ACO, it comes with a full range of accessories.
Find out more at aco.co.uk.
Northern Building Plastics. Why collect when we can deliver?